Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to see mutual friends on Snapchat. So first of all, go to the Snapchat applications. Here on the top left corner of your screen, tap on your profile. Scroll down to add friends. Here are two options, added me section and quick add section. So here on added me section, you'll find the users or friends who have added you, but I haven't added them back. So, in order to accept the friend request, I have to tap on this accept and they will be friends on Snapchat. And here on the quick add sections, they are the mutual friends of my friends Priya and Mr. Perfect, suppose. Or they are the friends or mutual friends from my contact list. So, in order to add them, I have to tap on the options of add and they will be added as my friend on Snapchat. So here we are done. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.